Hello everyone, welcome to another episode on mini importation. Today we are going to be talking about how to translate 1688 app. So we have a lot of apps that you can use to translate 1688. Now, why would we even want to translate 1688? A simple question. So we want to translate 1688 because everything is in Chinese and our language that we speak, mostly that's the official languages in English, and we don't know how to read the Chinese. Most of us don't know how to read it. So how do we figure out what they really mean on the app? It's simple. We have many apps that you can use to translate 1688. We have Microsoft's Swift key, one you can use to chat with your suppliers. So you just input from English to Chinese, then you will be typing and it will automatically translate everything to Chinese to your supplier. We also have the Hi Dictionary, and it is only available for Android users. If you're using iPhone, you can't use the Hi Dictionary. So this Hi Dictionary you can use to translate everything on the app. So you can use it by scanning through everything, or you can use it by using the lens to be rolling on the text so it translates everything to you. Another thing that you can use is Google Translate. Now, Google Translate can only be used by taking a screenshot on the app and sending it to Google Translate to translate everything in English for you. That's how it works. So that's how it works. Now, these apps will help you to know what the Chinese language actually means. So you are buying, let's say, a blender, and you want to know if you will need this kind of motor or that kind of motor. We have two types of motor in buying blenders. So you just translate everything and it will give it to you. This is how to translate the 1688 app. Please, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know your thoughts about this video as well. And please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share for others to also learn importation for free. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.